First things first, why LegalZoom? Well, for many entrepreneurs, especially those who aren't corporate law experts, LegalZoom offers a guided, intuitive pathway through what can otherwise feel like a complex bureaucratic maze. They specialize in simplifying legal processes, from business formation to trademark registration, and yes, even name changes. Their platform breaks down the steps into easily digestible chunks, provides prompts, and often pre-populates information, significantly reducing the chances of errors. It's like having a helpful assistant whispering legal advice in your ear, without the hefty hourly fee. So, you've decided on a new name. Congratulations. That's often the hardest part. Now, the very first crucial step, even before touching LegalZoom, is to check for availability. This isn't just about avoiding a legal spat with another business. It's about ensuring your chosen name is unique and registrable in your state. Every state has a Secretary of State's office or a similar entity responsible for business registrations. They have online databases where you can perform a name availability search. This is paramount. Imagine going through the entire process, paying fees, only to find out your desired name is already taken. It's a frustrating and costly do-over you definitely want to avoid. While LegalZoom will also perform a name availability check as part of their service, doing your own preliminary search provides an extra layer of assurance and allows you to have backup options ready. Once you've confirmed your dream name is available, it's time to head over to LegalZoom. The process typically begins by logging into your existing LegalZoom account. If you formed your LLC through them, your business information will already be there, making the process even smoother. If not, you'll need to create an account and likely import or manually enter your existing LLC's details. Within your account dashboard, you'll want to look for services related to amendments or changes to your business. LegalZoom's interface is generally user-friendly, so finding the right section shouldn't be too difficult. You're specifically looking to file an amendment to your Articles of Organization, sometimes called Articles of Formation. This is the foundational document that established your LLC, and any fundamental change, like your name, requires an official amendment. Once you initiate the amendment process for your LLC, LegalZoom will guide you through a series of questions. They'll ask for your current LLC name, your desired new name, and the effective date of the change. This is where their intuitive design truly shines. They'll prompt you for all the necessary information, ensuring you don't miss any critical details that your state requires for the amendment. They'll also typically ask about the reason for the change, although this is usually for their internal tracking and doesn't always appear on the final state filing. One of the significant advantages of using LegalZoom is their built-in compliance checks. As you enter information, their system often cross-references it with state-specific requirements. This can catch common errors, like using restricted words in your business name or failing to include a required designator like LLC or limited liability company. They act as a digital gatekeeper, ensuring your filing has the best chance of being accepted by the state on the first attempt. After you've provided all the necessary information for the amendment, LegalZoom will generate the necessary state-specific forms. This is where you really see the value. Instead of you having to download, understand, and fill out complex government forms, LegalZoom does the heavy lifting. They'll prepare the articles of amendment for your signature. Take your time to review this document carefully, ensuring all the information, especially your old and new names, are precisely correct. Any typos here could lead to further delays and additional fees. Once you've reviewed and approved the generated documents, LegalZoom will present you with the filing options. This is where you choose how quickly you want the amendment processed and if you want LegalZoom to handle the full filing process for you. They typically offer standard filing, which includes them submitting the documents to your state's Secretary of State, and often expedited options for an additional fee. Given the legal nature of this change, it's generally recommended to let LegalZoom handle the submission to the state to ensure it's done correctly and tracked appropriately. After the articles of amendment are filed and approved by your state, you'll receive official confirmation, usually in the form of a stamped copy of the approved amendment. This is a crucial document. Keep it safe. It's your legal proof that your LLC's name has officially changed. But wait, the journey isn't over yet. A new name isn't just about state recognition. It's about updating your entire business ecosystem. Here's your essential post-amendment checklist. Update your EIN with the IRS. While changing your LLC name doesn't typically require a new employer identification number, EIN, you do need to inform the IRS of the change. This is usually done by sending a letter to the IRS with your old name, new name, and EIN. LegalZoom often provides guidance or even a service to assist with this, but it's a critical step to ensure your tax filings are accurate. Inform your bank and financial institutions. Update your business bank accounts, credit cards, and any other financial accounts with your new LLC name. This prevents any issues with transactions or legal disputes down the line. Update your business licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and location, you might have various federal, state, and local licenses and permits. Each of these will need to be updated with your new LLC name. Check with the issuing authorities for their specific procedures. Update contracts and agreements. Review all existing contracts, leases, and agreements your LLC is a party to. While existing contracts under the old name are generally still valid, it's good practice to notify parties of the name change, and for any new agreements, ensure they reflect the new name. Rebrand your marketing materials. This is the fun part. Update your website, social media profiles, business cards, letterhead, invoices, signage, and any other branding elements to reflect your new, exciting LLC name. Consistency is key to building brand recognition. Inform your vendors and customers. Send out an announcement to your vendors, suppliers, and most importantly, your customers, informing them of your LLC's new name. This keeps everyone in the loop and maintains transparency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.